Hi, my name is Sarwil and I'm going to talk about the recent event of boys' locker room incident and rape. For the love of God, I don't understand what fun is it to get intimate with a girl without her consent. I just don't get the logic. Being a guy, I just don't get the logic. Why would you want that? What will you get? Ego satisfaction. It is one of the most stupidest things that a man can desire. What's the point? What will you get eventually? You want to eat. What's the point of raping somebody? If you're horny, jerk off, masturbate. What's the point of ruining somebody's life? What happens tomorrow if a guy comes and fucks you in the ass? How would you feel? Talking about rape so casually is something like, where is the society going? From where is it coming? What is the frustration? Is it too much power? Is it lack of understanding or lack of humanizing? If a girl is choosing to be in a certain way, why can't she be in a certain way? But it doesn't mean that you'll get into misogyny, you'll get into uh, such shameful talks where you are so casually mentioning about rape and doing bad things. What is the point? What are you getting? I don't get it. Being a guy, it's beyond my understanding of forcing myself on somebody. First of all, what am I even getting out of it? It's worse than masturbation. It's worse than masturbation. There's no point, there's no fun. Even what ego satisfaction, I have no understanding of what ego satisfaction one will get just by ruining somebody's life. I think it's high time sex education is included in our school curriculum, especially when a boy or a girl is turning 13, 14. They're entering a world which is very dangerous. One bad incident here and there, like as a healer, as a therapist myself, so many girls have come and told me what has happened with them in their early teenage, or maybe in their early childhood, or maybe even today they are facing certain things, and it's incredibly sad when I hear such things. uh, Boys don't know what is it to be on the receiving end of it. Very few boys know what is it to be on the receiving end of it. And let me tell you, it's a fact that it's not a happy ending. It's not a happy thing. You might just do something as an act, and you tomorrow you might not even remember it. But understand this trauma stays with the girl for whole of her life. All her life. All her life. For you, it's just a 5-minute satisfaction of just trying to trouble somebody. Just for fun. The value education we have in school is shit. It's rubbish. It's pathetic. It's very important that today boys realize what is it to be on the receiving end. They need to learn this, they need to understand this, there needs to be a proper curriculum, there needs to be a proper education. We might say that India is getting literate day by day. It is not. It's getting insensitive day by day. India is getting insensitive day by day. It's very important that this needs to be included in our curriculum, because today they're just talking casually. Tomorrow it might happen casually, and it's already happening in India. And it's high time that we put our brakes and just understand and have some empathy. The world is changing. It's high time. It's high time. This video is brought to you by Trell. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about it. Please let me know about your suggestions. What else can be done? How can we protect our girls? How can we protect our women? And how can we educate our boys to be more sensitive, to be more aware of what's happening around? Thank you.